Kublai pi parlok bara. Hakakadway tarik ubnai September 2000 kadai kasngi bagi nong Amerika hadu mentaru kim pala ban klet. Hakane kasngi lasha hijack hadu Southly ki aeroplane jongka Amerika. But yakane kasngi latip kum ka 9/11 attack.
Today, our fellow citizens, our way of life, our very freedom came under attack.
Oh my God.
In a series of deliberate and deadly terrorist acts.
Of the Pentagon.
The Pentagon has been evacuated and the White House is hit.
Now this is what it looked like moments ago.
Tayang ini page bat ngauto hakane ka video kai ka baja hakatay ka sngi. Haka step jong ka khadway tarik ubnai September 2000 ka flight number 11 jong ka Amerika kala take off na Boston banlej sa Los Angeles. But hakane ka flight kidon khandai pu ngut ki breo na kine khadway ngut kide ki crew members lane ki nong tre but ki pilot jong ka flight. But prapu ngut na kine kide ki passenger hadian khatsan minute baka flight kala her hasun latip bana ki prapu ngut ki passenger san ngut kide ki lena but kila hijack ya kane ka flight but kila rung jubor ha ka jakashong jong ki pilot but way na kine ki lena ukerteng u Muhammad Atta but une uday ubalayo jing hikai but penher ya ka aeroplane but ula penkun na ya kane ka aeroplane sya ka World Trade Center ya kane ka building latip kerteng kum ka Twin Tower ka jingtre ha kine ki building kalong ban ya de ya thiet ya ki stock market but kane ka building kalong ka bakong san bha ha Amerika but menchwa ka judai ka way na ki building bajrong tam ha perthei te kumta ki leno kila lej ban tanra be ya ka way na ka building jong ka Twin Tower kane ka jingjia kala jia ha ka port pra sau pun reu am mestep.
It's 8:52 here in New York. I'm Bryant Gumbel. We understand that there has been a plane crash on the southern tip of Manhattan. You're looking at the World Trade Center.
Hakane ka por u George Bush u badai u President jong ka Amerika udang don ha ka way ka school but udang shongkai but ki khna school rengkat but ki nong hikai te u Andrew Card u badai u Chief of Staff jong ka White House haba ulayo jing tip syapang kane ula lej ban pasiaw ha ka skor jong u President baka don kum kata ka jingjia but u President ula ngap jar sipang but ula ong tharai day ba u pilot ula yo heart attack takadaw kane ka plane kala let crash ha ka tay ka building.
A small twin-engine prop plane crashed into one of the towers at the World Trade Center in New York City. Our collective response was, oh, what a horrible accident. The pilot must have had a heart attack or something.
Henry kinong Amerika kimtip AA baka nilay kaday tang ka jing sedang tang hadian khatnyo minute jong kane ka jingjia layo khubor baki leno kila hijack saya ka waypat ka flight jong ka United Airlines ka flight number 175 but kileno kila le biang kumju kila penkhun ya kane ka flight sya ka World Trade Center but kila lej bantanra saya ka waypat ka building kane kadai ka crash ka baar ha ka Twin Tower hadu kane ka por u President u dangdon hi ha kane ka school but u Chief of Staff Andrew Card ula lej phasiaw biang ha ka skor jong u President but ula ong America is under attack. The second plane hit the second tower. Henry u President ula Shong Shua hakane ka school hadu nyo minute but ulah pulih kot but ki kena skol ulah shandur but ki nong hikai hakini ki nyo minit ka khubor kala sapriang haka perthei ya ka jing crash jong arteli ki aeroplane haka World Trade Center tang hadian katu katne minit layo khubor biang basa arteli ki flight jong ka Amerika ki la sha hijack kawai kadai ka American Airlines flight number 77 kani ka flight kala hair na Washington DC but kadang mut banlej sa Los Angeles but hakani ka flight ru kidon sangut kilena sa kawai pat ka flight kadai na ka United Airlines flight number 93 but kani ka flight kadang mut banlej sa California hakani ka flight kidon sangut kilena but kini kilena kila penkun no ya ka flight sa Washington DC na Washington DC tang khandiat ka jingjngai kadon ka Department of Defense jong ka Amerika but kadai ka headquarter but ya kane latip kerteng da ka Pentagon but kaniru kadai ka building ka bahe baha te ya ka flight 77 kila penkun no sya kane ka building but ya kane ka flight kila lej bantenra abej ya ka Pentagon building hadu kane ka por kila shutdown no ya baro ki airspace jong ka Amerika ha ka por khandai sanpu khandai minin ka wei na ki building jong ka Twin Tower kala hap but klem no namar ka jingklain palat jong ka ding hadu kane ka por baro kinong Amerika kila khuslai namar sakaway ka flight kata ka flight number 93 kabala sha hijack kimtip hakano ka jaka kinlej bantanra te ki reu start but ki reu shampang jong ka Amerika kila tharai bakane ka flight 93 kala banlej tanra ya ka White House lane ya ka Capitol Hill jong ka Amerika ka balong kum ka parliament jong ka Amerika kani ka por ki passenger ki badon ha ka flight 93 kila switch on no ya ka mobile jong ki but ki bahayeng ki parlok kila phone ya ki but kila yathu ya ka ei ka bajia ha Amerika but hangne ki passenger jong ka flight 93 kila sngoutho but kila yang da ka wei ka sur banyak hun persya yakine kila no but kani ka flight kala lej crash land no ha ka wei ka kper but da ka jingslur jong kini ki passenger ki breu ki badon ha kani ka flight kila laj im but ha ka por sipau arpupra sa ka wei ka building jong ka Twin Tower kala hap but klem no but kat ban poi siteng sngi hadu lai hajar ngut ki breu kila do yala ki jong ki jingim but hadu nreu hajar ngut ki bala mensau hadien kane baro ki mut bakane ka jingja baro kadai ka jingle jong Osama bin Laden Henry hadien katu katne sngi Osama bin Laden pula ai statement ba dan kti hakane ka kam Henry hadien laisnem kata hau hajar sa Osama bin Laden ulami syakmat bat ulakam badai mau ubalale ya katai kakam kata ka 9/11 attack te hadian kane baro ngitip bahadian shiphausnem ka Amerika kala rung ha Pakistan bat penyap ya Osama bin Laden.
Tonight I can report to the American people and to the world the United States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al-Qaeda.
Telada pikwa bantip bakumnu kinong Amerika kiwat bat penyap ya Osama bin Laden sa komen yang te parlok baro mentangan aino ya ka jubab ka bangala keli haka video ka baladap te ka jubab kadai ar hajar khandai te lada piwan thamai haka ne ka channel subscribe ya ka ne ka channel balada pikwa ban tip ya ka jingkeli ka bangala ai ha ka video baladep pila ban check a description ngala ai ka link pila ban page ya ka to ko video